Want to look better in your Zoom video conference calls? My name is Sheryl Plouffe. I'm a video strategist, and in this short video, I want to show you a feature that is kind of hidden in Zoom that you may want to turn on so that you look better in your video conferences. So I'm mirroring my phone to the screen so that you can follow along. And what I've done is I've opened my Zoom app. What I'll do now is I'll go to the bottom right-hand side into Settings, and I will hit on the Meetings tab. And I'm going to scroll all the way to the bottom, and there is a feature called Touch Up My Appearance. It says, retouches the video of yourself that displays during meetings. So I'm going to hit that, and there's me, hi. And I'm going, now it's very subtle, it is very subtle, but when I click that on, you can see that it adds almost like a filter. It's almost like an Instagram filter. So there's the before, you can see a little bit more definition, maybe a few more wrinkles, and you hit touch up my appearance, and it softens and blurs out some of that. It's very subtle, but as our filters on Instagram, it's very subtle, but it can make a difference. So I hope that's helpful for you if you are looking to improve your appearance in your Zoom video conferences. If you want to follow me, please do so on all my social platforms at Sheryl Plouffe. I'm someone who loves to find solutions to problems, and I'm a video strategist, so I help people to really get their message out to more people using uncomplicated video production, using phones and webcams and such. So would love to connect with you on social media. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know below. Thanks so much. Have a great day.